Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you 3 ways to use an impact driver. An impact driver is a specialty tool that can really help you accomplish a lot of different tasks. One of the main reasons you would use an impact driver is when you need to drive screws or fasteners into material that not only give you a turning motion like a drill driver, but a slight hammering motion as well. It's not a hammer drill, it doesn't have that kind of power, but it will help you to power through certain applications. So for instance, if you were going to use an impact driver for drilling, you would need to use specialty bits that are designed to go into the chuck. You'll see that there's a small little, almost like a bolt looking edge to it, and then a little ring that locks into place. This allows the tool to both turn the bit and provide that slight hammering motion for the drilling. Now, if you wanted to use larger boring bits, this too would have to have that same attachment to fit into the end of it. Standard drill bits or attachments will not go into this chuck, so it has to be designed for an impact driver. And finally, one of the best uses for an impact driver are to install masonry fasteners into both block and cement. So this is a Tapcon, and with the right attachment, you'll see that it will drive this fastener really securely into the masonry, so you can rapidly install these fasteners one after another with this cordless tool. Coming up next, my video on how to use a hammer drill.